In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase uTorrent download speed. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to adjust for better performance while staying within safe and responsible use. Keep in mind that your results also depend on the number of seeders, your connection quality, and any limits your internet provider may apply. First, open uTorrent on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top left of the window and click the Options menu. From there, select Preferences. This is where you'll find the core settings that influence how quickly you can connect to peers and how efficiently your bandwidth is used. Inside Preferences, go to the Connection section. Here you'll see the listening port your client uses to talk to other peers. Change this to a higher, less commonly used value. Choose a port number above 10,000. Using a higher, more unique port can reduce conflicts with other services and may help avoid overly aggressive throttling on well-known ports. Don't worry about picking an exact number. You just want something high and not already reserved by another application. Still in the connection section, enable UPnP port mapping and enable NAT/PnP port mapping. These features let your router automatically open the correct port for incoming connections, which often boosts the number of peers you can reach and improves stability. If your router supports these standards, turning them on typically results in faster starts and more consistent speeds. If your router doesn't support them, leaving them enabled won't hurt. uTorrent will simply fall back to regular outbound connections. Next, switch to the bandwidth section. This area controls how uTorrent allocates your upload and download capacity. The most important tweak here is the maximum upload rate. Set it to about 70 to 80% of your real upload speed. This preserves enough upstream bandwidth for acknowledgements and peer communication, which directly affects how fast you can download. If you're unsure of your upload speed, run a quick internet speed test. Note the result in megabits per second, and convert to kilobytes per second by multiplying by 1000 and dividing by 8. For example, 10 megabits per second upload is roughly 1250 kbps, so setting your maximum upload to around 875 to 1000 kbps works well. Avoid setting it to unlimited or extremely low, both can slow downloads. When you're done, click Apply to save the changes. Give your active torrents a moment to adjust. Pausing and resuming them can help the new settings take effect faster. Watch your speeds over a few minutes. Healthy swarms with plenty of seeders should show noticeable improvements. And remember, staying on well-seeded torrents and keeping your client running steadily will yield the best results.